देता है, मन को पंख, कल्पना और जीवन हर चीज के लिए उड़ान देता है। अब मैं हमारे विद्यालय के सामान्य शिक्षकगण से निवेदन करूंगी कि वे मंच पर आए और गीत के माध्यम से माननीय अतिथिगणों का स्वागत और सम्मान के भाव अभिव्यक्त करें। धन्यवाद, आपकी प्रस्तुति ने सबको मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया।
Respect and gratitude and take them and make them feel to be an
वार्षिक समारोह में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं, जो सौंदर्य और सम्मान का प्रतीक होते हैं या अपने सुंदर रंगों में।
Thank you, ma'am. Flowers expressing emotions, love and regard. Flowers boost the mood. Henry Ward Beecher has beautifully quoted, "Flowers are the sweetest things God ever made and forgot to put a soul into."
प्रकाश लगभग समृद्धि का प्रतीक है। जिस प्रकार सूर्य की प्रकाश अंधकार को दूर करता है, उसी प्रकार देवी का आशीर्वाद हमारे जीवन में खुशी और समृद्धि लाता है। हमारी हिंदू संस्कृति के अनुसार किसी भी कार्यक्रम की सफलता के लिए माता सरस्वती की वंदना की जाती है। इस समारोह के मंगलमय बनाने के लिए ज्ञान और बुद्धि का दीप जलाकर मां सरस्वती का हम आह्वान करेंगे। सर्वोत्तम आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करें।
Lighting lamp is an important Hindu tradition and is considered auspicious as it is made to protect us against bad signs and purity.
दीप ज्योति नमस्ते जो और सम्मान का प्रतीक होते हैं, ये सौंदर्य और आनंद की भावना को बढ़ावा देते हैं। फूल प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य के स्रोत है जो स्वागत और सम्मान के अवसर पर आदित्यता और श्रृंगार को मिलाते हैं।
Ma'am Devarati Bose, HECD, Associate Children Villages of India, Harman Marian Institution is presenting the flowers to our chief guest. This is Shri Sunil Haliji. Thank you, sir.
फूलों की खुशबू से मिलता है सजीव और सौंदर्य का संगम।
May I request Principal of our institution, Mr. Mukesh Thakur, to present the bouquet to Ma'am Devarati Bose, HECD, Associate Children Villages of India, Harman Marian Institutions. Ma'am Pamposh Mansudra and Nitinjit Ma'am is requested for the ceremonial. Ceremonial robe is a kind of honor and deep respect given to the distinguished guests, and we extend our heartfelt and the remarkable achievements of our institution.
समारोही वस्त्र का सांस्कृतिक समारोह में विशेष महत्व होता है, जो समर्थन और महत्वाकांक्षा के परिचायक होते हैं। ये समारोह में उपस्थित माननीय अतिथिजनों के प्रति सम्मान समर्पण का भाव अभिव्यक्त करते हैं। उन्हें सम्मानित और इनका विशेष महत्व होता है।
Principal of Harman Marian School, Jammu, Mr. Mukesh Thakur is presenting the ceremonial robe to Ma'am Devarati Bose, HECD,
सांस्कृतिक धरोहर और प्राचीन परंपराओं से जनता को मोहित किया।
In a rapidly changing, it stands as a testament to the confidence and spirituality. The city's majestic temples, such as Bird Vaishno Devi, are not only architectural marvels, but also the symbols of devotion that have drawn pilgrims from far and wide places.
सांसों में मेरी कश्मीर है जम्मू जैसे जगह कहाँ जम्मू जैसे जगह कहाँ जम्मू लोचन की तामीर है जम्मू लोचन की तामीर है मेरा है दिल की धड़कन सांसों में मेरी कश्मीर है हर सू
life spirit and tradition. Thank you students for such an awesome and soulful presentation.
हमारी आज की हम इस विविधता को सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं और आने वाली पीढ़ियों को इस समृद्धि से जोड़ते हुए अपने अतीत को समझने का एक अद्वितीय माध्यम दे सकते हैं।
Journey we have embarked on together.
Dear audience, today we have come together to celebrate the journey of learning and spirit of unity and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Today's annual function, named Udaan, is a canvas of creativity, a stage for talent, and a celebration of excellence. With immense pleasure and great reverence, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guests for this special occasion, Shri Sunil Hali, Justice, Chairman FFRC JNK, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. And we are truly privileged to have him with us. Shri Sunil Hali is an individual of exceptional knowledge and experience, and his presence here adds immense value to our event. Born on 22nd February 1951, he completed his education from the prestigious Jammu University. He is married to Srimati Veena Hali and is blessed with a son and daughter. He worked as an advocate since 1973 in Jammu High Court and had been appointed as judge of JNK High Court on 15th March 2008 and later on transferred to Allahabad High Court on 4th July 2011. He served as Judicial Member Armed Forces Tribunal from 5th March 2013 to 21st February 2016. He had also been appointed as President State Consumer Commission on 8th June 2017 and presently acting as Chairman FFRC JNK since April 2023. His achievements and contributions in their respective field have inspired many. Our chief guest today is a shining example of perseverance and courage. We are honored to have him with us, and his presence is a reminder that with determination and resilience, anything is possible. Celebrating 50 years in your field is a testimony to your steadfast commitment, deep conviction, and remarkable consistency. Your journey is an example of what can be achieved when one never stops giving and stay focused on his goals. Keep inspiring us all with your dedication and determination for our students. I extend my humble greeting to the special guests, the members of PTA, esteemed faculty, staff, students, and most revered parents. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our respective head education, Mrs. Deburatni Bose, thanking her for her beginning presence at the event. We are always grateful for the benevolent gesture you showcase towards Harma Minor School, Jammu. I am profusely elated to welcome all the parents and guardians who have joined us today. Your presence at this event is a testament to the strong bond between the school and the families we serve. As parents, you are an integral part of our educational community, and your unwavering support and encouragement play a vital role in the growth and development of our students. We value the trust you have placed in us to nurture and educate your children, talents and hard work of our students. And we are thrilled to have you here to witness their accomplishments. Your involvement in your child's education is a cornerstone of their success, and your presence here today underscores the importance of the partnership between home and school. This event showcases the talent, dedication and hard work of our students who have made us immensely proud with their accomplishments throughout the year. This day is an exemplification of the collective effort and commitment of our entire school community. And I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and our outstanding students for their unwavering dedication to excellence. Academic excellence in school is a measure of its commitment to providing high-quality education and achieving outstanding results in terms of student learning and performance. Harbour Minor School, Jammu has always prioritized academic excellence, ensuring that students receive a high-quality education that prepares them for future success. I am proud to stand before you today to recognize and celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students. They have not only excelled in their academic pursuit, but have also demonstrated their extraordinary talents and skills in various co-curricular activities. It is with great admiration that we acknowledge the exceptional achievements in academics. The audience in the session 2022-23 in class 12, total 62 students appeared for the CBSE board examinations, and we are glad to announce that we got 100% result. Mayur Kichlu topped the science stream with 92.6%, while Sushant Kaul and Vyom Mahajan stood second and third with 91.8% and 90.6 marks respectively. Harshan Kaur topped the commerce stream with 91.4%, while Divansh Jalotra and Arshpreet Kaur stood second and third with 87.8% and 85.2% marks respectively. 3 students scored more than 90% and above marks in aggregate in science stream, while as 01 student scored more than 90% marks in commerce stream. 23 students scored above 75% marks in aggregate in science, and 9 students secured above 75% marks in aggregate in commerce stream. In class 10, total 92 students appeared for the CBSE board examination, and we are glad to announce that we got 100% result. Chahat Khatri topped in class 10 CBSE examination with 96.2%, while Purva Garu and Saksham Rana stood third with 95.8% and 93.8% marks respectively. 11 students secured more than 90% and above marks in aggregate. 33 students secured above 75% marks in aggregate. 6 students secured more than 95% marks in English. 1 student scored 95% marks in maths. 9 students secured 85% marks in 95% in science. 2 students secured 95% in social science. 8 students secured 95% marks in Hindi.
Reminded us of the countless hours of hard work, dedication and togetherness that have gone into making our school a beacon of educational excellence. The report does not only highlight our accomplishments, but also serves as a testament to the collective efforts of our students, teachers, staff and parents. Thank you, sir.
The birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, and the great-grandmother of tradition. We stand before you with immense pride as we are going to dive into the rich culture of our nation, a land that truly epitomizes for the phrase incredible India.
किया है।
Ideas. Now, we are going to embark on a pioneering journey, delving into the intricate web of a modern-day challenge that infiltrates our lives silently: mobile addiction.
इस तकनीकी वहाँ एक ऐसी दुनिया की कल्पना करें जहाँ स्क्रीन की चमक प्राकृतिक सूर्यास्त की शान से उत्साही रूप से प्रतिस्पर्धा करती है। एक ऐसी दुनिया जहाँ सोशल मीडिया पर आभासी लाइक्स का गूंथन असली मुस्कानों की प्रामाणिकता से भी शोर मचाता है।
व्हाट्सएप ले लो, स्नैपचैट ले लो, इंस्टाग्राम ले लो, 15 सेकंड के रील्स, 30 के रील, 10 रुपए फॉलोअर्स ले लो। रस्ते माल सस्ते में ट्रेंडिंग में रहने के लिए 1 डजन हैशटैग ले लो।
हट्टा कट्टा मोबाइल। ये मोबाइल यूं ही हट्टा कट्टा नहीं हुआ, इसने बहुत कुछ खाया पिया है। ये हाथ की घड़ी खा गया, समय नहीं लोगों के पास, ये लोगों का वक्त खा गया। ये टॉर्च लाइटें खा गया। इसने सैकड़ों मील की दूरियां पी हैं, इस मोबाइल ने तन्हाइयां पी हैं। ये मोबाइल किताबें खा गया। पड़ोस की दोस्ती मेल मिलाप खा गया। ये मोबाइल फोन यूं ही हट्टा कट्टा नहीं हुआ, इसने बहुत कुछ खाया पिया है।
हिस्सा है, उसे अपनी जिंदगी में बनाना।
नैना मिलाई
Generation. Thank you, sir, for being the torch bearer for our students today.
ये पल अभिभावकों के लिए और छात्रों के लिए भी महत्वपूर्ण होता है। ये इन छात्रों का सौभाग्य है कि वे आपके कर कमलों के द्वारा पुरस्कृत किए जा रहे हैं।
Got 95.8% in class 10 in all India secondary school examination. Purva Garu. Followed by Saksham Raina with 93.8%. Followed by Saksham Raina with 93.8%. We need to encourage them with a round of applause. This ambience should give the echo of clapping. Karan Kaul with 93.6%. Karan Kaul with 93.6%. And next two places were bagged by two students, Anirudh Pandita and Karthik Bhatt with 90.8%. Anirudh Pandita with 90.8% and Karthik Bhatt with 90.8%. Moving ahead with Yahvi Kaul and Samrit Pal Singh. They are also at the same position with 90.8%. Anirudh Pandita, Karthik Bhatt, Yahvi Kaul, Samrit Pal Singh. Pulkit Bhatt with 90.6% and Rohan Salgotra with 90.6%. Followed by Shriyala Abru. Now moving on to class 12 AISSCE, Mayur Kichlu of class 12 got 92.6%. Followed by Sushant Kaul with 91.8%. May I request parent of Mayur Kichlu to join us on the stage. Congratulations, ma'am, please. Vyom Mahajan with 90.6%. Mayur Kichlu got 92.6%. Followed by Sushant Kaul with 91.8%. And Vyom Mahajan in science stream with 90.6%. Congratulations to all of you. This was the examination conducted by AISSCE, final exam conducted by CBSE every year for high school students on behalf of Government of India. Now is the turn of commerce stream. Pulkit Bhatt is there. Pulkit Bhatt has just joined. Pulkit Bhatt, go near the stage. Please receive your congratulations. congratulations. Pulkit Bhatt has got 90.6% in class 10. Class 12, Commerce Stream. Harsharan Kaur, she got 91.4% in Commerce Stream. Harsharan Kaur, a student of Tavi House, always ready to participate, always used to initiate the house programs, whatsoever or whosoever used to guide her, always ready. Harsharan Kaur with 91.4%. Followed by Divyansh Jalodra. Divyansh Jalodra with 87.8%. My invitation here goes to Arshpreet Kaur, 85.2%. Arshpreet Kaur. As we eagerly anticipated the annual day that has just started, we may ultimately discover the glory of this beautiful event. We are thrilled to unveil the comprehensive array of document, Enliven and Sparkle Vision 2024-28. Honor to invite the chief guest and esteemed guests for the opening of document Enliven and Sparkle Vision 2024-28. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. May I extend an invitation to ma'am Devarati Bose, HECD.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। दिल के तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की में आगे देख यही ऊपर है चले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
आज सारी रात क्या बताऊं मैं कल पीट पीट ढोल पीट हाथ पाँव मार नाच नाच उंगलियों पे नाच नाच रात सारी मौत का मैं मदारी बाज डमरू सी कटारी डम 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 नाच मौत डम 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 नाच मौत
ये सुनिश्चित करने के लिए और अधिक प्रयास किए जाने की जरूरत है कि ये प्रयास समाज के हर कोने तक पहुंचे।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। कोई तो मेरा हाथ बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू हिंदुस्तानी, सकेला तो फिर रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलू
And the very heartbeat that makes our homeland so extraordinary.
भारत वह देश है जहां भूमि, आकाश और समुद्र मिलते हैं, और वही देश महान होता है जिसमें प्रेम, एकता और सद्भावना होती है। भारत वह देश है जिसे हम सबको साथ मिलकर महान
तेरा बनके नहीं रहना तुझा पर के
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सोंधे सोंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना। अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग दे, मुझको रंग दे, सोंधे सोंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना। अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सोंधे सोंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना।
सावत सुहा रंग सबके नसीब दा, सावत सुहा रंग नसीब दा, खेले दुख सुख आंख मिचोली हो जीने दो जाने तू मेरे सारे जहां में तू, जीने दो जाने तू मेरे सारे जहां में तू। ओ साथ सुहा रंग सबके नसीब दा, खेले दुख सुख आंख में चोरी, मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होली, मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होली। प्यारा रंग है उसका न्यारा, मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होली। प्याला चिड़ के अपने कलम का, प्याला चिड़ के अपने कलम का, रंग दे सब संसार, मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होली, मेरा मुर्शिद खेले होली। जीवे तू जाने तू मेरे सारे जहां में तू, जीवे तू जाने तू मेरे सारे जहां में तू। ओ प्याला चिड़ के अपने कलम का, रंग दे सब संसार, मेरा प्याला चिड़ के अपने कलम का, प्याला चिड़ के अपने कलम का, रंग दे सब संसार। इश्क का रंग है यार, इश्क का रंग है यार, इश्क का रंग है यार, इश्क का रंग है मेरे सारे जहां में मेरे सारे जहां में।
Imparts profound wisdom to humanity. The Bhagavad Gita, often hailed as a spiritual scripture, is a reservoir of timeless knowledge, offering guidance on duty, rightness, and the path of self-realization.
होता है इसे भगवान को अर्पित करता चल, ये करने से तुझे सदा जीवन मुक्ति का आनंद मिलेगा, क्योंकि परिवर्तन ही संसार का नियम है।
Now, our performance will symbolize the reflection of the universal teachings of the Bhagavad Gita that transcends the boundaries, highlighting the victory of knowledge and acceptance of one's duty with a sense of detachment, embracing humanity.
भगवद गीता में श्री कृष्ण के मुख से उत्तर आया।
वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते।
प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण है, लेकिन आज की तस्वीर इससे बिल्कुल अलग है कीमती बच्चे फिर भी क्यों नंगे पैर ये सड़कों पर भीख मांगते हैं, अपनी किस्मत की रेखा छोटे बर्तनों में घिसते हैं, घर बाजार को इस तरह गर्त में जाने से आप रोक सकते हैं। देश के सुरक्षित भविष्य के लिए वक्त आ गया है कि आपको यह जिम्मेदारी अब लेनी ही होगी। क्या आप लेंगे ऐसे किसी एक मासूम की जिम्मेदारी?
देखो इन्हें ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर खो न जाए ज़मीन पर,
कभी आप जैसे दादी नानी, कभी जग जैसे नानी, कभी बन जाए बोले
बच्चों से मत काम करवाओ, नन्हे हाथों को ना तो पहुंचे। बाल व्यापार की रोकथाम हम सब मिलकर करें ये काम।
Our school, Mr. Mukesh Thakur, Headmaster Sir, Mr. Ashok Rana Sir, on the stage for the felicitation ceremony where we celebrate the achievements. It's a moment to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students. It's a moment of pride and joy as we acknowledge their hard work, dedication in academics as well as in co-curricular activities. In the school at national level, she has got gold medal and silver medal in chess competition at state level. Adhira Kanodra of class 6B has got 6 silver medals and bronze in skating. She had represented the school in J&K open roller skating. Lavesh Dogra of class 10 has bagged gold medal in karate. He had represented school in inter-school district level, division level and also 67 national school games. He has got 3 gold medals, followed by Chaitanya Rana. Chaitanya Rana has got gold medal, certificate and trophy in yoga. The competition was organized by Gashtaru Jammu and Kashmir Association. Semi-final was held in Faridabad and final in Delhi. In the same stream yoga, I would like to invite Vasvi, Friza and Chaitanya. They have got the certificates and they have represented the school at the district level and got selected for J&K Yoga got selected by J&K Yoga Association. Vasvi, Friza Bilal Thapa and Chaitanya Rana. In the same stream yoga, Chaitanya, Friza and Mridul Raj Gupta are requested to join the stage and receive the certificate and medals on the stage. Chaitanya is going to receive the certificate as she has represented the school in the yoga competition. Friza has got gold medal and Mridul Raj Gupta also got certificate for the state level competition. It's now archery. Live Dar of class 8, he got gold and silver medal in the archery competition organized by inter-district division, organized at inter-district division level, and it was organized by district youth sports and services. He got this gold and silver in the discipline of archery. Now it's the time for the felicitation of judo students. Nusrat Jan, Saksham Sharma, Daksh Chibar, Ansh Gupta. Nusrat Jan got silver medal, Saksham Sharma with bronze, Daksh Chibar with gold medal in inter-district judo competition under Khelo India Khelo. Ansh Gupta with bronze and Daksh Chibar with silver medal. Moving on to the next stream is gymnastics. Fiza Bilal of class 7th has got medal certificate and bronze medal in nationals, which was organized at Bangalore. Moving on to the next stream is music and dance. May I invite Priyal Kachru, Gunjan Rajput, Ananya Gupta, Divya, Himanshi, Sharanya and Manvi. And Daksh Pandita. Certificate of Appreciation and Award. Priyal Kachru of class 9, Gunjan Rajput, Ananya Gupta. They got first position, Ananya Gupta. Next stream is IT Fest. Adhira Kanotra and Harman Singh. Both of them are invited here for the felicitation. They got third position in Taiko Master event, which was organized at KC Public School under the banner of KC Innovis 23 IT Fest in the month of November. Students of our school participated in various events like IT quiz, like video editing, Taiko Mastery, and these two students bagged third position in Taiko Master event. Moving on to the next part is NCC. In annual training camp, Saas, Jagrati, Sugandha, Sakshi and Sunanda, they got a gold medal and certificates in various disciplines, like they participated in tug of war, basketball and many other activities in the annual training camp. Under the banner of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat camp, these candidates of NCC, Sakshi, Sugandha and Sunanda, they also got certificates there. After NCC, it's the time to felicitate the students of NCSC, National Children's Science Congress. Our students participated in two categories, senior and junior. May I invite Shah Faisal of class 11 and Karan Kaul of class 11 to join the stage. They represented their science project at the district level and then at national level. They were declared as a child scientist for the project they exhibited at state level. This was from senior category. We had also two students from junior category who represented their project there. ND Sleep Alarm, Saaz Anand of class 8 and Renal Gupta. Our school is a chain of schools. We used to have the various competitions, Inter-Harman Minor Schools competition. I'm moving to that part now. Inter-Harman Minor School competitions, firstly taking up literary. Pragya Kaul of class 4, Advit Kak of class 5th. They participated in literary competition. Pragya Kaul got second position in Hindi poem. Advit Kak got first position in English declamation. I think children should be encouraged by giving a big round of applause. They should be applauded for these achievements. You can see these small kids, they are of class 4th and 5th. Nidhan Singh of class 4 got second position in Hindi declamation. Angel of class 8 in literary competition got first position in English declamation. Bhani Bhatt of class 10 and Shruti Rana of class 12 got first position in English debate competition. This competition is basically among the inter-Harman minor schools. The students are from Faridabad, Bhopal, Orissa, Jammu. Earlier we used to go to that places. Now we used to have the competitions on the platform, on the virtual platform. Again, our inter-music competition, inter-Harman minor music competitions. Radhika of class 1st, she got first position in singing, followed by Anmol Bhatt in solo singing competition. Shivani Joshi of class 10, she also got first position in senior category in solo singing. It was semi-classical singing competition in category 4. Diana Cole and Gunjan, they got third position in duo dance. And in group dance, we have Ritika Sharma, R.V. Sharma, Manvi Abrol, Ananya Gupta, Manvi Sharma, Himanshi and Divya. They all participated in the group dance and they got third position in category 2. And in duo dance in category 3, Diana and Gunjan of class 6 bagged third position. Taking up the stream of science in inter-Harman minor school competitions, Pavitram and Riya Chauhan represented their project and they got second position. Pavitram of class 8 and Riya Chauhan of class 8. In the same category, third position was bagged by Saz Anand and Mrinal Gupta. Saz Anand from class 8 and Mrinal Gupta of class 8. They had represented their project Anti-Sleep Alarm. And first position was bagged in junior category, sub-junior category by Advit Kak and Anshi Dhar. Advit Kak and Anshi Dhar. It's the time for the felicitation of the students for painting. Bhumi Katrayal from class 8 got second position in inter-Harman minor school's Kalavani painting competition which was held in the year 20. And Shivi Jetta of class 12 bagged first position in the senior category. Shivi Jetta. She had just now joined us because she was involved in JEE Mains. Now all of us know, because you are also a part of our school, that our school is divided into 4 houses, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi and Tavi. Every time the competitions take place inter-house wise, they used to be literary, sports, and we used to add up the marks for the children, for the houses. Keeping those points in mind, 2 houses are going to be declared here as first and second, Cock House and Cock House runner-up. Now let me invite the housemaster of Tavi House for the runner-up Cock House. Tavi housemaster is requested to join the stage along with the team members to receive the runner-up trophy. Give a big round of applause to the children in general and especially to the Tavi House students. So everyone has demonstrated outstanding commitment and excellence in their respective fields. Congratulations to all of you. Now any guesses? Students, I'm talking to you. Any guesses for the cock house? Ravi, that means you might be having some concert, okay. So first position, cock house is Ravi. May I invite the house master of Ravi and the team members of the Ravi house to join the stage and receive the respect, the honor and gratitude, and also the efforts you have put in your house,
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं.
We present this memento to our worthy chief guest as a token of our appreciation, love and respect for gracing our occasion with his presence. May I invite Ma'am Devorati, Ma'am Ajisiri, Associated Villages of India, Herman Minor Institutions, to present this token of love and respect to Justice retired Sunil Haliji on behalf of Herman Minor School. May I request Principal Sir to symbolize our profound gratitude to Madam Devorati Bose, HECD, Associated Children Villages of India, Herman Minor Institutions for his dedicated leadership and contribution towards our institution. Ma'am, this is a token of love from our side, otherwise you are a part and parcel of our family. May I request now Chief Guest to please address our audience. Sir, please.
The management of the staff of the school, students, parents, the present in their wards, Mrs. Bose, the principal of the school. I am highly thankful for providing me an opportunity to be amongst you to celebrate this annual day function. Humanity, kindness and compassionate bring sweetness to this world. This is the reason why this school is in existence today, because there was a noble man from Austria who visualized a dream to make this SOS schools function all over the world. I am no educationist. My only association with education is when I was a student. I was fortunate enough to have studied in a school which was a private and a missionary school, that is same as Biscu School, Srinagar. We were taught, and there was a motto of the school, all things be men, which says that even academics alone are not sufficient. There has to be an overall development of human personality. Education at the primary level lays the foundation edifice of a student. In the higher classes, he perfections his stream to which he has adopted. But the basic education, as Mrs. Bose said, that academics may give you a job, but overall personality of a person which is reflected by his conduct in his life is how he has evolved as a human being. My present assignment gives me a chance to interact with the students. And since there is a lot of disconnect, I suddenly realized that educational system has changed. There are a lot of innovations, it has been digitalized. Many technological innovations have been made.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान।
Is actually going to get developed among the parents and the children. We are trying to develop such kind of values among the children, and we'll definitely try to fulfill that achievement. Thank you, sir. Moment to invite Karan to join the Ds for the further proceedings.
भंगड़ा नस नस भंगड़ा रूह विच ऐसा खुलिया भंगड़ा सुन के रोना भुलिया भंगड़ा आलम खुश मिजाजी भंगड़ा जदे इश्क दे बाजी भांगड़े नू सारी दुनिया मानगी भांगड़ा पंजाबियां दी आदत बन
Punjab, often referred to as the land of 5 rivers, echoes undying spirit and the cultural fusion woven with the beats of Bhangra. It is more than a dance form, it is a celebration of life, resilience and vibrant traditions that define Punjab.
एक नृत्य जो सच्चे सांस्कृतिक सौंदर्य का जननी है, संगीत को कविता में और चित्रकला और स्थापत्य कला में स्थान होने के बावजूद नृत्य एक बार में ही हीरो जैसा अंतरिक्ष में जीता है।
The vibrant colors, dynamic beats and the expansive spirit of Bhangra transport us to the heart of Punjab. Let's not just dance, but feel the essence of Punjab, a land where every step is a testament to the beauty of life and togetherness.
सभी में जोश की भावना जगा दी।
श्री अशोक कुमार रैना जी से निवेदन करूंगी कि वह मंच पर आए।
To August gathering present today. It's a great honor and privilege for me to present vote of thanks on today's wonderful event. On behalf of entire Herman Minor School fraternity, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to esteemed chief guest Honorable Justice Shri Sunil Haliji, Chairman, Fee Physician Committee, Government of J&K, for being with us today. Sir, in spite of your busy schedule, you accepted our invitation. Your esteemed, we have Honorable Madam Mrs. Devarati Bose, Head Education and Child Development, SOS Children's Reach of India, and Herman Minor Institutions with us today. Ma'am, on behalf of parents, students, and entire staff of Herman Minor School, Jammu, I express my sincere gratitude for your esteemed presence to make today's event a memorable one and source of inspiration for all of us. Ma'am, your presence has added immense value to this celebration of achievements and talents. We are also thankful to Shri Upinder Singh Ji, President, PTA, for his gracious presence and unwavering support throughout the year. Mr. Singh is well-wisher of the school. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to express our gratitude to their parents for their support and cooperation. My special thanks to parents of participants who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes for smooth execution of today's event. My thanks also goes to members of press and electronic media for the wide coverage and spreading our message in the masses. My sincere thanks to entire administrative department of General Zorawar Singh Auditorium for their cooperation and support to make today's function successful. Above all, my sincere thanks to our young and dynamic leader, Mr. Mukesh Thakur, for motivating us, encouraging us, guiding us all the way to the entire team. Thank you very much, sir. Last but not the least, I would like to thank and appreciate all staff members, teaching and non-teaching, dear participating students who worked tirelessly days together to make the event a grand success. Once again, I thank you all for your presence and contribution to our annual function. Let us continue to work together for the betterment of our school and holistic development of children. Once again, I thank you all. Now, I request everyone to rise on their feet for the national anthem, please.